We have seen that when creating a load case, we could display this list within the load case type, and various options appeared. We have already seen the load cases and the combinations, and we can select now the load generator. When selecting the load generator, another drop-down menu appears where we can select the type of generator. Strictly speaking, generators are not a load case as such, but we could consider them as a series of instructions that allow the program to generate load cases. We cannot ask for results from a generator load case, but we can, obviously, ask for results from the load cases generated with it. So if we select load generator, we will have several types. We find the load case generator for road traffic, the load case generator for non-motorized traffic, the load generator associated with a general mobile load that displaces, a load generator that can be simultaneous and will act in the most unfavorable way for the structure, hence the most unfavorable pattern, and a last generator, a bit special that will allow us to create all the necessary combinations to be able to work with envelopes when we have nonlinear elements. This is a very powerful tool that unlocks the limitation of not being able to use superposition with nonlinear elements. Well, there is a way to do it thanks to the combination of limit state loads for the case of nonlinear structures. The load cases that are generated with a generator can be edited, but they cannot be deleted. For example, let's do a quick one. Let's say that the load case generator will be listed with the other load cases, but from that one, we cannot ask for results. When we go and check them all, it is the moment when all the load cases will be generated according to the instructions that we have given and that we will see in the next clips. So, here we have the load hypothesis generator, which is this G2, and then the ones that have the percentage sign 1, 2, or 3 are the load cases that we have generated with this load generator. We are going to see that in the next videos. So these, we cannot be deleted. This X is grayed out and cannot be edited, but we can double-click and change this value, but it doesn't make much sense to do it the same way. We could go to the list of load cases and we could see this generator, and make the load cases that have been automatically generated invisible to see it much simpler, so we only have one load case and one generator. But if we want to see each of the load cases, instead of making the generated load cases invisible, we press here, and we would see all of them. So, well, there is the possibility of getting all the load cases if we want to, and convert them into standard load cases, as if we had entered them without the help of the generator. We can do it by pressing this button. There is no point in using this option because it's very easy to work with the load generator and generate it pretty quickly, so there is not much advantage in converting it into standard load hypotheses. But we have created this option because probably someone has found it useful and it was implemented in the software. In the next clip, we will start by describing how the traffic load generator works.